Let's join us in prayer. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Dear God, we thank you for all your blessings. We know that all our gifts come from you. May we always give for ourselves. May we use our gifts in a way that shows our thankfulness from them. Amen. In art, we have been painting paper and using texture tools to make artworks, just like the ones in Eric Carl's picture books.
In writing, we have been busy writing letters, and we have been thinking about the purpose and the audience of our letters. Last week, we wrote a letter to the witch from the book The Jolly Postman. Here are some of our letters.
To the witch, my name is Ben. What potions do you have? You should open a potion shop. You should give me your gingerbread house. I need help when someone is being mean to me. How to turn them into animals. Can you be my friend from the P.S. Can you make me a candy potion? To the witch. Hi, my name is Evie. Can I be your friend? I like how you ride on a broom. I like your special powers because you can turn things into frogs and mice. You're so amazing. Can I come to your house so I can see the gingerbread house? I am 5 years old and I am a girl. From P.S. Please don't turn me into a frog. To the witch. Hello, my name is Sophia. When I grow up, I want to be like you. Do you have a wart? My mum and dad tell me to go to bed at 2 p.m. Can you help me with this? What did you put in the green tea? What do you do when it is morning? Do you have a curse? From Sophia. P.S. I love witches. To Mrs. Witch. I am so fascinated by you. My name is Abigail. How do you make a gingerbread house? I love green tea. Could I come and visit you and have some? I would really love to be your friend. Could you teach me how to ride a broomstick? What could I do for you? From Abigail. P.S. I love how you curse people.
In religion, we have been learning about God's wonderful gifts and appreciating them in our everyday lives. We are now going to sing you a special song that we have been learning.
yours. Then we lift them up and give them back to you.